Okay, hello everyone. This is Tactical 820 again. Today I'm going unboxing a new helicopter, Seahawk helicopter. I bought it from Kootai, from China. Okay, the price was only $375, I believe, plus 80 something dollar, $85, $80 for shipping, and it take only a week, like, for me to get the helicopter. So I'm gonna unboxing before I'm going to work, so I have to do it quick. Okay, and let's see, this is very well packed. This is very well packed. Then I bought a few extra part. Okay, it came with a very beautiful box. This is very beautiful box. So let's make a quick review what comes with this. So this is the helicopter. This is what comes with this. Okay, the instruction manual. And it comes with the helicopter. This is the part that I bought extra part right here. 3S lithium battery is similar to the other batteries for the other helicopter, like SH60 Coast Guard helicopter. It's just similar. Okay, I would try to use the other battery with this helicopter to see how it works. Yeah. Okay, beautiful remote control. This is the bread and butter right here of the helicopter. This is the bread and butter of the helicopter. It had a little movable. It is very. It looked a lot better than the other helicopter that I purchased from Fly Wings. It have a lot of detail, small, very detailed. It have a navigation lights. Yeah, red, green navigation lights. But some way how like I wish the helicopter, instead of whoever make this helicopter, like, listen to us, please make it like, instead of all of the windshield, instead of make it black color, just make it like real authentic, like clear. And some of them, the glass are kind of light blue or light green or whatever. Just try to make it real instead of all black, ugly color. It is very beautiful helicopter, so you don't want to make it look ugly, right? And also the landing gear. My recommendation is, please, make it look real, instead of flimsy, easy, broken part, landing gear. Just make it more solid. Okay, so that is my, for now I just only thinking that is for my recommendation. And also this is the extra part. It came with it come with a extra part, an extra blades, rotor blades for a helicopter and the tour. So I cannot believe it, Kootai. I had been buying a few helicopters from them, and a sales rep over there, her name is Ellen Chan. She is very good with the process and try to make make it like give you a good deal and expedite the process and ship it through the United States. So thank you, Ellen Chen, and for the quick, like, you know, shipping, and give me a discount too. All right. I purchased the helicopter from her, a few helicopters from her. I help her out because of course she had to work for her money. Then also, like, you know, in return she give me a good deal. So that's it. So this is everything, and I'm doing a quick review. Let's do a close look for my helicopter. Very beautiful. I think it does have the optical thing that, you know, for you to do for the altitude flying. It have a, like, you know, like clear from the ground or something. Okay, so this is my new helicopter. Well, instruction manual, I'm gonna bring it with me to work. So I'm very excited. I will try to fly tomorrow when I get off work. Okay, so well, this is my helicopter. And this is trash. Helicopter. Thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.